which gets converted to the formation of that is unstable complex, that is imide, that's H2O. That is H2O is by forget is like this OH minus attack on this carbon in carbon, and triple bond will be converted into the double bond NH and to forms of what, that is RCOH. Okay, that is RCOH double bond NH. This is the imide, and this imide is gets again hydrolysis, that is RCOH double bond NH. This is imides which on acid this imides undergoes hydrolysis to gives converted to the RC double bond O NH2. This is amide, and this amide is further hydrolysis, that is acid hydrolysis, that is RC double bond NH2 in the acid hydrolysis, that is H3O plus. This acid hydrolysis we use a dilute HCl or H2SO4, that is HCl, that gets converted, this NH2 group, it gets converted to the OH group and to forms a what, that is RC double bond OH. That is the formation of what, that is from nitrate, the formation of carboxylic acid from the nitrites. I have to repeat these reactions, that is where nitriles undergoes hydrolysis to form say amide, okay, and these amides again hydrolysis with the dilute HCl or H2SO4 to give a corresponding what, that is carboxylic acids, okay, carboxylic acids. By when you solve any type of examples, only change this R group and you got that numbers of carboxylic acid. Repeat this reaction when nitriles undergoes hydrolysis to give amides. Amides undergoes acid hydrolysis in presence of dilute HCl or H2SO4 to give a corresponding carboxylic acids. Okay, this is the first methods of preparation of what, that is carboxylic acid from the nitriles or amides. Next, methods of preparation of carboxylic acid from anhydrides. When anhydrides are reacted with water to give a corresponding carboxylic acid, the anhydrides is represented is like this, that is RC double bond O, OC double bond O, R. This is the anhydrides. That is the anhydrides. This anhydrides reacted with what? A water. Is reacted with a water to get converted to the what? A corresponding carboxylic acid, RC double bond OH. There is a, how many group is there? There is a 2 carbonyl group is here. Okay, and the one hydroxyl group is wanted to here and to forms a what, a corresponding carboxylic acid, and that gives a 2 molecules of what, that is the carboxylic acids. Okay, 2 molecules of carboxylic acids. Okay, but react, that is from anhydrides, where acetic anhydrides or anhydrides undergoes hydrolysis with water to give a corresponding carboxylic acid. This is the next methods of preparation of carboxylic acid from anhydrides. Next methods of preparation of carboxylic acid from the acid hydrolysis of esters. Okay, when esters undergoes hydrolysis in the presence of mineral acids like HCl or H2SO4 to give a corresponding carboxylic acid, and the reaction is, that is the general reaction is, that is acid anhydrides is that is acid, that is esters is represented by RC double bond O R dash. This is the esters. This esters undergoes hydrolysis in the presence of what? That is undergoes hydrolysis in the presence of HCl. That means it may be a dilute HCl or H2SO4. That is, it may be a dilute H2SO4 or HCl that gets converted to, that is only the one hydrogen group is added here, that is H2O. It gets bifurcated like this, that is HOH. Only this oxygen is bonded to this hydrogen and to forms a corresponding carboxylic acid, that is RC double bond OH, and remaining is what? That is OH and R dash plus R dash OH, that is alcohol. This is carboxylic acid. This is a carboxylic acid. This is the methods of preparation of that is carboxylic acid. In this point, we discuss the methods of preparation, 4 methods of preparation of carboxylic acid. The first is the from nitriles or amides that gives a carboxylic acid. In this reaction, when nitrile undergoes hydrolysis to give a corresponding imide, the imides it gets converted to amides, and the amides undergoes hydrolysis to give a what? That is corresponding carboxylic acid. Next methods of preparation of the carboxylic acid is from anhydrides. Okay, when the acetic anhydrides or anhydrides undergoes hydrolysis to give a corresponding carboxylic acid functional group, that is a carboxylic acids. Okay, and next methods of preparation, that is from acid hydrolysis of ester, that is where esters undergoes hydrolysis in the presence of dilute acids, that is HCl or that is H2SO4, that is it is a mineral acid, and that gives a carboxylic acid. That gives a carboxylic acid. This is the methods of preparation of what? That is carboxylic acids. Next methods of preparation of carboxylic acid from the alkaline hydrolysis of ester. Up to that, we discuss the acidic hydrolysis. Now, in this point, we discuss about the alkaline hydrolysis of what? The esters. When esters undergoes alkaline hydrolysis with the that is alkalis, that alkalis it may be that is dilute NaOH or KOH, to give a corresponding water soluble salt, and this water soluble salt undergoes acidified in the presence of concentrated HCl to give a corresponding carboxylic acids. In this reaction, we can hydrolyze the esters in the presence of what? A dilute alkalis like NaOH or KOH. In this reaction, we solve one example, that is methyl propanoate, that is CH3 CH2 C double bond O CH3. This is methyl group and this is propanoate groups. Okay, that's why it is called as methyl propanoate. This methyl propanoate undergoes hydrolysis with the dilute NaOH. That is the alkalis. Okay, that gets undergoes heated, only that forms a corresponding what? That gives a corresponding a salt, and that salt it is the what? That is CH3. It is the CH3 CH2 C double bond O minus Na plus. That is, instead of this Na, okay, this oxygen, that is Na gets added to here and to forms a what? A water soluble salt, that is the sodium salt. Okay, and this sodium salt undergoes hydrolysis, that is CH3CH2, CH3CH2, C double bond O, O minus Na plus undergoes hydrolysis, undergoes hydrolysis in the presence of, that is a HCl, that is undergoes hydrolysis in the presence of concentrated HCl to gets converted to this Na is given out and only the hydrogen is added here and to form say CH3 CH2 C double bond O O OH, okay, that gives a corresponding carboxylic acid and this carboxylic acid is a propionic acid. Remaining is what? That is this Na and remaining is what? That is